Hi friends, welcome to Taste with Us. Today we are going to make Vermicelli Kheer. This kheer will be really delicious, creamy and rich in taste. Let's see how to make this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the ghee is hot, add cashew nuts, saute until golden brown. Add raisins, saute until golden brown and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 3/4 cup of vermicelli, saute until golden brown. Half cup of soaked tapioca pearl, half liter of full cream milk, mix. Cook for 10 minutes. When the vermicelli is cooked, add 3/4 cup of sugar and mix. Combine 1 teaspoon of custard powder with 1/4 cup of milk. Make sure there is no lumps. Add this to the kheer and stir continuously. Boil for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add the roasted raisins and cashew nuts and mix. Delicious vermicelli kheer is ready. Give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Taste with Us. Thank you.